What is a level 2 screen? According to Investopedia, the level 2 was introduced in 1983 as the NASDAQ Quotation Dissemination Service, or NQDS for short. Even today, level 2 data is a subscription-based service that provides real-time access to order book data. Simply put, the level 2 is a real-time supply and demand table that provides traders with insight on up to the second buying, selling, and available liquidity activity. For active day traders, having access to real-time market data is essential. While most retail traders begin with just basic level 1 data and information, using a level 2 screen for real-time liquidity provides traders with a distinct advantage. Let's go to Neil for more.
A level 2 screen displays not only the current bid and ask prices of a security, but also the orders behind those prices, known as the order book. This allows traders to see the depth of the market and the buying and selling pressure at each price level. Here are some of the benefits of using a level 2 screen for active day traders. Number 1, better understanding of market liquidity. A level 2 screen provides a more detailed view of the market liquidity than a level 1 screen. Traders can see the number of orders at each price level, which can help them identify potential support and resistance levels. Number 2, the ability to spot market manipulation. By viewing the order book, traders can identify when market participants are placing large orders to manipulate the price of a security. This can help traders avoid getting caught in these manipulative trades. Number 3, improved order execution. Traders can use a level 2 screen to identify the best bid and ask prices and the order sizes available at each stock level. This can help them execute trades at the best possible price and avoid that slippage. And finally, number 4 here, increased market awareness. By using a level 2 screen, traders can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and how different market participants behave.
Okay, thank you, Neil. I just wanted to quickly talk about here the level 2 and what that means for us as day traders. Let's go over and have a quick look right now. So what I've entered is right up here, I've entered in AT&T. We have the market ID participants right here. So because NYSE is the house for AT&T, it's the main exchange that it's on, you're going to see NYB up here. And generally, they have the most size to display. So right here, when you're seeing size on a level 2, what you're actually looking at is per 100 shares. So this is 7,800 right now on the NASDAQ book, and up here now the New York book. And you see how order entry keeps on changing? That's because players are either getting filled on the bid or they're canceling their bids or offers. So this side is the bid side. What the bid side will get you is long or to cover any of your shorts. It's a buying action. The right side right here is the ask, and that would be I'm offering shares or selling to the market. So let me just pick a gateway here. What I like to use is ARCA. You're going to hear me all the time. So this is just another gateway. So it's like sending your order into an ECN, Electronic Communication Network, whereby you are going to get filled. So I just push ARCA bid. We have 100 shares down here. It's coming out at 100. I'm going to push bid, and it comes out at the bid price of 51. If I push enter, then I join this line up here at 51 looking to get shares. That's the point of the level 2 and what you're looking at right now, and it is directly coincided with the time in sales. So as fills are starting to be hit here on the ask, you'll see them printed right here with the market center ID right in the middle so we can identify which lineups we want to get into. Look at how fast this will move with Microsoft. You have hundreds here, right? This is 100, 500. You don't have 7,800 shares. Microsoft is a name that can move pretty quick, and the liquidity can dry up really fast on a name like this. So you have to utilize your level 2 and your knowledge. If you don't see very many shares on here, then what you're going to want to do is understand that liquidity may be a little sparse. So you want to make sure that you're trading the appropriate amount of shares, and it's good for slippage. It's your level 2, and I hope that was a little bit of an explanation to help you through your day.